Hi, I'm Brian Olmsted, CTO of Visual Robotics. Today I'd like to show you our VIM 201 vision guidance system, performing visual picking and visual placement. Our VIM 201 camera is mounted on a UR3 from Universal Robots. The robot will pick up this base plate, actually apart from our camera, and place it in a fixture, one of the fixtures that we use in our camera factory. This demonstrates our system's ability to perform a useful manufacturing task. The camera visually locates the base plate and directs the robot to pick it up. With plate in hand, it visually locates the fixture and directs the robot to place the plate on the fixture to millimeter accuracy. The speed and simplicity of this operation, which could easily be performed by a human, has been beyond the capability of robots. Until now. Our system simply needs a picture of the object to pick and a picture of where to place it, and it does the rest. The camera finds the object to pick based on the picture outlined here in white. Once it has picked the object, it looks for the location to place it based on that picture, shown here in white. The speed and accuracy of the VIM 201 vision guidance system for performing this task is unmatched in the industry. Now you've seen how quickly and accurately the VIM 201 vision guidance system can perform visual picking and visual placement.